Next problem. 5 varieties of paddy A, B, C, D, E are tried. The plant the variety is shown in each plot and yields obtained in kg are given in the following table. Test whether there is a significant difference between rows and columns at 5% level of significance. So total number of data n is equal to 25, number of rows which is equal to number of columns which is equal to n is equal to 5, right? So null hypothesis, there is no significant difference between column, there is no significant difference between rows, there is no significant difference between the treatments, right? Treatments are letters A, B, C, D, E. Alternative hypothesis, there is significant difference between column and difference between rows, and there is significant difference between treatments or letters. Now we are going to shift the origin to 100. So subtract 100 from each and every numbers in the given data. So you will get the new data. So we will get first row B 95 minus 100 minus 5, E 85 minus 100 minus 15, C 139 minus 100 minus 39, and A 117 minus 117, and D 97 minus 100 minus 3, etc., etc., right? So we are going to use this new data to form the ANOVA table. So calculation for ANOVA: rows R1, R2, R5, column C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. So write the given data, that is revised data after shifting the origin. Then first to find the row total. First row total 33, second row total minus 13. Add the numbers in that particular row, right? So minus 66, minus 37, minus 67. Then similarly column total, right? First column total minus 59, second column minus 36, minus 5, 22, minus 72. Adding either column or row, you will get the grand total, right? So G is equal to minus 150. This is sigma Ri or sigma Cj, both are equal. Next to find Ri square by n. So first row 33 square by 5, 217.8. Next second row 33.8, third row 871.2, fourth row 273.8, and fifth row 897.8. Summation Ri square by n, that is equal to 2294.4. Then similarly for the column Cj square by n. First column minus 59 square by 5, 696.2. Second column 259.2. Third column 5. Fourth column 96.8. Fifth column 1036.8. Summation Cj square by n 2094. Then you find the sum of square row. So square the number in each row, right? First take the row 1. So square the numbers. So first row numbers minus 5 square, minus 15 square, 39 square, 17 square, minus 3 square. Then add all the numbers. That is minus 5 square plus minus 15 square plus 39 square plus 17 square plus minus 3 square. That is the first row sum of square. So squaring and adding, you will get 2069 first row. For the second row 3131, third row 1142, fourth row 2115, and fifth row 1565. Similarly column sum of square. So my first column minus 5 square, minus 10 square, plus 16 square, plus minus 15 square, plus minus 13 square. So you will get the first column sum of square total 775, second 2496, third column 2311, fourth column 3008, and fourth column 1432. So sum of the squares. So total sum of the squares. So SS, double summation Xij square. So you have to add either row sum of square or column sum of square. So you will get the same total. So double summation Xij square is equal to 10022. Then correction factor G square by N, that is equal to 900. Then letter table, right, to find LSS. So alphabetical order, so A, B, C, D, E. Then entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So according to A, so write the A elements in the correct order, right? First A, second A, third A, fourth A, fifth A. Similarly B and C, last one E. Then first row total, that is L1 here, right? So for A, so minus 17. Second row total minus 99. Third row 124. Fourth row minus 54. And fifth row minus 72. Then you find Li square by N. That is N is equal to 5 here. So 57.8 minus 17 square by 5. Minus 99 square by 5. 124 square by 5. Minus 54 square by 5. Minus 72 square by 5. So summation Li square by N, that is equal to 6713.2. So that is wrong. Li square by N is equal to 5, not 4, right? You correct it. So total sum of square that is equal to 9122, and column sum of square 1194, and row sum of square 1394.4, and letter sum of square 5813.2, and error sum of square 720.4. So in the table just you correct instead of last column, right? Li square by N is equal to 5, but the values are correct. 57.81960, the last column. Summation Li square by 5, the value is correct, but just the correction you just change it. So actually we divide minus 17 square by 5 only, so you will get 57.8 first. Similarly, minus 99 square by 5, you will get 1960.2. That is correct, but the error is there. Instead of 4 you have to write it 5, you correct it. That's all, right? Next on our table is source of variation, sum of squares, degrees of freedom, mean sum of square, then F ratio, right? Then conclusion for column, degrees of freedom 412, so tabulated value 3.26. Compare FC and FT. So FC is greater than FT, null hypothesis 1 is rejected. Next rows, degrees of freedom 412, tabulated value 3.26, calculated value FR 5.81. Compare FR and FT. FR is greater than FT, therefore null hypothesis 2 is rejected. Then let us treatments, right? Degrees of freedom 4,12. Tabulated value FT is 3.26 and calculated value FL is 24.21. So FL is greater than FT, therefore null hypothesis 3 is also rejected. Thanks.